Hey people, I thought I'd make a video of this before the week slips away. This is the old happy home that I'm giving away in favor of the nice condition one that I recently got. This one will be going to YouTube user Thor TheEngine, as he said he's wanted one of these Metal Blade McGraw Edison box fans, or Moonblade McGraw Edison box fans, as he calls it. Yeah, this one is in not so nice condition as the one I just recently got. It's slightly rusted, like on the inside bottom and on the grills. So this video of this fan before it goes away. And it seems there's a bit of rust on the blades. Notice there's a bit of rust on the inside bottom, and it's on the grills too. There's the Happy Home badge. Turn this to one side. Yeah, just like the other one, it's that light avocado. There's the other side. Now, if you notice, it's dented right there and kind of bent outward right there. And there's a little bit of rust there. And whatever that is. Oh, it's a mild dent down there too. Turn around to the back. Ugh. Yeah, as you can see, the back cage is mildly rusted too. Section's kind of a little bent outward and paint chipped off. And it's got the same McGraw Edison motor and motor mount. Yeah, a little bit of, I don't know if that's rust or paint scratched off or what. Top. Little blemish there, and one there. Same speed dial in the same speed dial in the circular thing, whatever has speeds on it, and same handle. And now we'll run it. This one has the McGraw Edison motor buzz upon startup. So here's high. Medium. Low. Back high. And as always, OFF spells off. Coast down time's still decent on this one. Oh, Yeah, it's really good on this one. And there you have it. This is the old, slightly rusted Happy Home made by McGraw Edison for Woolworth and Woolco. This is the last you'll see this fan before I give it to our friend Thor the Engine. So, thank you for watching.